first news roundup. My name's Lee Bradshaw and I want to kick off by saying a massive thank you to Atlassian for another amazing summit. The speakers were fantastic, we enjoyed talking to everyone we met there, and if you didn't get a chance to talk to us, we would love to speak to you, so please do get in touch. Our contact details will be found in the description below. Whilst we're on summit, let's talk about some of the exciting announcements that were made by Atlassian. Firstly, there's JiraOps, a new product, offering a complete incident management lifecycle. Users will be able to respond, resolve and learn from every incident faster, meaning that trust can be built with the customers from the get-go, with transparency throughout the entire process. As if this wasn't enough, an agreement to acquire OpsGenie was announced. OpsGenie is a leader in instant alerting, so this is very exciting. JiraOps plus OpsGenie together form a powerful platform. JiraOps is available now through the Early Access Programme, and more information on OpsGenie will be released once the acquisition is fully closed. In other news, we'd like to give a quick congratulations to winner of our drone challenge at this year's summit, and a massive thank you to everyone who participated. Your efforts went towards helping the amazing Teenage Cancer Trust. And with that, we want to give a well-deserved shout out to Qmetry, Riada AB, Kamala Tech, Lucid Chart and EasyBI for their involvement. Moving on from Summit, I'm sure you've all heard the news that Atlassian are increasing the prices for some of their products, but don't panic. As an Atlassian Platinum Solutions partner, we're here for you at Clearvision. The increase is set to come into effect immediately from the 12th of October 2018. With Clearvision, you can purchase your licenses and any renewals for up to 3 years at the rate of the current price. That's before the increase even goes into effect. I can't stress enough the urgency for you to take advantage of this offering before the increases. Call us today for a quote which will remain valid for 30 days. That's 30 days to give us enough time for processing. That's all for today, but I look forward to seeing you again soon. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.